Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about approximating area under a curve.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, y equals 2 over x on our interval from 1 to 5, and we need to find 5 inscribed rectangles that approximate the area under the curve. Now, one thing I first want to find is the width of each rectangle. So to do that, my width, I take the upper limit of 5, subtract the lower value, 1, over the number of rectangles, 4. Pretty simple. 5 minus 1 is a 4. Over the 4 comes out to be a 1. And that makes it nice and easy, a width of 1 here. Now, what's tricky is, well, what is the inscribed rectangles? Well, since our function on our interval from 1 to 5 is decreasing, okay, it's decreased on the interval from 1 to 5, we're going to basically, the inscribed rectangles is meaning we have right endpoints here, okay, for each one of our rectangles. So we make a table right there. We want to have a right endpoint, so I start with my lowest y or x value here in the domain. I add the width to start the first one. So 1 plus a width of 1 is a 2. And then I keep adding widths from there. Plus 1 is a 3, plus 1 is a 4, and plus 1 one more time is a 5, which makes sense. We end up with our right part of our domain, right endpoint of the domain, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 heights for rectangles in the future. So we have the x values where the right endpoints exist. We need to find the y value there to get the height. So we plug 2 back into our original equation, we get a 1. 3 goes in, we get a 0.6 repeating, or 2/3. 4 goes in, and we get 0.5. And we plug a 5 into our original equation, and we get a 0.4. Now we want to find the area of each one of these rectangles. Okay? So to do that, we have, well, area, each rectangle is the width times the height. The w times the y value. Now our width is 1 here, so we take 1 and multiply it by each y value, which is just the y value. So we have 1, 0.6 repeating, 0.5, and then 0.4. And that is the area of each one of our rectangles that are approximate here. We add them all together up, and what do we get? We get a 2.56 repeating. And there it is. The sum of all the areas there, the total approximate under the curve given 4 inscribed rectangles, is a 2.56 repeating. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.